Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Kath, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you can also click the subscribe button down below and the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And of course, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. For today's video, I am going to show you my summer favorite makeup products. Here in the Philippines, summer na, sobrang init. So, ayaw natin na malagkit yung feeling. It's so tacky and heavy feeling. Yung tipong meron kang nilagay na makeup sa mukha mo, meron kang foundation sa mukha mo, and alam ko yung feeling nun, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the best makeup products that suits you this summer. All the products that I am going to show you guys are in here. Sobrang favorite ko siya. Ito na yung makeup kit na ginagamit ko for everyday, especially summer. The first product that I will be showing you guys is this one. I got this from Mary Kay. It's so nice, so comfortable, and so soft. Meron siyang design heart, which I love the most. Simple is classy for me. Habang nagbe-makeup tayo, since mainit, guys, isa sa mga nagko-contribute nun is kung mahaba yung hair mo, buting meron ko yun itong hairband. I think hairband yung tawag dito. And then, yeah, that's the time that you can put your makeup on. So, sobrang presko ng feeling nito na yung hair natin away sa face natin while putting makeup on. The next item that I will show you guys is this one. My micellar water. Basically, pagkakaalam natin dito sa micellar water is it removes makeup. But guess what? It does a lot of things other than that. Like, cleanses your face, hydrates your face, soothes your face, which is very important, especially during summer, to hydrate your face, diba? Ang next item na kukunin ko dito ay I have two different foundation type. The first one is my Naturactor all-time favorite Naturactor foundation in the shade 140, and my very new Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Trust me guys, it says full coverage, but then again, mali yung inaakala natin sa foundation na pag full coverage, sobrang bigat sa feeling sa face, diba? But this one, I've tried this so many times. You can also check my review. Ni-review ko din siya. Ilalink ko na lang sa description box down below yung video ko na ni-review ko tong Maybelline Superstay foundation, and it's really nice, guys. Ang gusto ko naman sa foundation na to, hindi mo na kailangan mag-concealer dito. So, this summer, ang goal natin is less makeup. Kasi, di ba, mainit. So, ayaw natin ng sobrang dami natin ilalagay sa face as much as possible. Kung pwedeng concealer lang. Kung pwedeng powder lang. But since mainit, so, madali tayong pagpawisan kung powder lang yung nilagay natin, di ba? Mas mabilis siyang ma-remove sa face natin pag pinagpawisan tayo. I'll just show you guys how amazing this foundation cream concealer is. Ginagamit siya ng mga celebrity natin dito sa Philippines. Very light lang siya sa skin. Buildable at the same time. So, kahit na konti lang yung nilagay mo, a little goes a long way. Konti lang yung nilagay mo, sobrang mako-cover niya na yung full face mo. And hindi ko sinasabi na mako-cover niya all of your blemishes, dark circles, or redness on your face. But I can tell you guys na enough na to, hindi mo na kailangan ng concealer para ma-lessen yung pores, yung dark circles mo, or anything that you want to correct on your face. This foundation naman, hindi mo mararamdaman na meron kang suot-suot na foundation, so it's good for summer at the same time. I have here the facial serum. It's very nice as well. So, dropper type siya, and the applicator is very nice. Paubos ko na yung facial serum ko na to kasi I really love this. This is part of my everyday makeup routine as well. Nilalagay ko siya sa face ko after I put micellar water. Then, ito kasi mas kumakapit yung makeup. It's also good for summer kasi hindi siya malagit sa balat. If you want to put a concealer, you can also put concealer. Here, I have my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's a very nice. So, ganyan lang siya. Sobrang lightweight ng concealer nito. Gusto ko sa concealer na to is hindi siya nagki-cakey kagaya ng ibang concealer. So it's good for summer kasi hindi mo mahalatang may nilagay kang concealer sa face mo. Let's not forget the eyebrows. My eyebrow pencil is very important as well. So yun, for kahit summer na ayaw natin mag-makeup, huwag natin kakalimutan magkilay because kilay is life. The next item that I will show you guys is lip tint. Mag-lip tint lang tayo. This one, my favorite, Ever Bilena. It's very affordable at the same time. It's very nice on your lip. Especially sa summer, gusto lang natin yung look natin is lip tint lang and lagyan natin, since ito is lip and cheek tint at the same time, so pwedeng maglagay tayo niyan sa cheeks natin and sa lips natin and we're good to go. And that's it for my video, guys. I hope you liked it. Sobrang konti lang na essentials na to kasi nga summer, so yung mga minention ko sa inyo is definitely must-haves for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you can give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay confident and see you on my next one. Bye!